right, let's talk about an important form you'll see when you're making an offer.
It seems like a simple question, right? But the answer needs to be crystal clear.
So we'll cover what this form is for, map out the relationships, and look at a few scenarios.
Okay, so what's the point of this form? It's all about making things perfectly clear.
Yeah, the official name is a mouthful, but its job is simple. Define the relationships.
Basically, it makes sure you know exactly who is working for whom. No confusion.
So let's see how this form maps out all the key players involved.
You've got 4 main parties: the seller, their brokerage, you, and your brokerage.
All right, let's look at the most common setup. It's pretty straightforward.
So you have one brokerage for the seller and another one representing you, the buyer. This way, you each have your own dedicated representation looking out for you.
Okay, but what happens in a less common situation? It's important to know this.
So what if one brokerage ends up representing both you and the seller?
This is called multiple representation, and it requires written consent from everyone involved. This can happen with one agent for both or 2 agents from the same brokerage.
Now, there's a related idea called designated agency you should know about. Here, your agent only represents you, even if the seller's agent is their coworker.
So when do you actually see this form? Let's look at the process.
It's prepared with your offer, goes to the seller, and gets signed by everyone. Your signature is you saying, "Yep, I've read this and I understand who's who." It creates one clear official record of who represents who in the deal.
Okay, so why does this actually matter to you? Well, it's about protection.
It gives you clarity, ensures consent, and makes everything official right in your offer.
So if you had to boil it down, what's the single biggest benefit here? It's simple: clarity and confidence. You know exactly who is in your corner.